Good afternoon, everybody. This is Jose. I want to tell you about my 2001 Toyota Tundra. Okay, I bought this truck about a month ago. It wasn't running. I got a really good deal on this truck, and I didn't know what was wrong with it. So we just dragged him all the way to our house, and I was working on it. And check all the fuses, no start, no spark. The crank position sensor was throwing a signal, so everything was looking just perfect. And I come to a conclusion that the PCM. So I called one of my friends. We went to school together, the same school, I should say. And we come to a conclusion. I told my friend about the truck. What was the problem? And then he said, check everything. I checked everything, every fuse, every relay, the ignition, and everything. And no fuel pump, by the way, no fuel pump. The fuel pump wasn't working, no spark, and what else? And no connection between the OBD2 to the computer. And I come to a conclusion that is the computer. If you ever run into the same situation, okay, check if you know that the fuel pump is not working, no spark, and you have a pulse on the crank position sensor, well, you better check your PCM, your computer module. And the computer module is located right behind the glove box. I'm sorry for the bad focus right here, but that's the computer module right there. It's very simple to take it off. You gotta unplug this clip. There's a clip on top of it. You just push the tab down and pull it back a little bit, wiggle it. And there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs. And there is a Phillips screw right here. You have to remove this one, and it'll comes out. And right here, there is this thing. This air duct is going right there. I don't know if you can see it. So you have to pull it really hard and take it off. You just pull it. And pulling the glove box compartment, there's only 2 screws, one right here, one right here. You just pull it out and release it, take it off. But yeah, I was looking for videos, and it was so hard to find the computer location, and to see how the computer looks like. But I'm gonna put a picture as well. So how I opened the computer, by the way. This is the old computer. I just put it on. I got it today on the mail. I ordered the computer. I was so lucky that I found the computer for less than $100. And this is the computer. So I opened the computer, and I'm gonna leave the picture as well, because there's some pictures in there, and you're gonna see how bad the computer was inside. It was corrosion. It was wet. So I cleaned it, but didn't work out. So I realized to just get another computer. Got another computer today before Christmas. We're on the 2018. I was so excited because when I got I was waiting for the computer. So I got the computer and I plug it in, and yeah, it's running right now. I got it running, as you can see. It's running. I have communication between my little launch right here, and it's a code reader between the code reader and the computer. So now I know that everything is working perfectly. So just make sure. I was confused at the beginning getting the computer. There's a lot of computers on eBay, and I'm gonna see if I can get their address. These people that send me the computer. I'm gonna see if I got anything. I don't think I have anything. Their information. But if I have their information, I'm gonna just leave it on the comment, so you can look at it. And please like my video if you think this video is useful. And if not, just leave a comment. Positive comment or negative comment, but constructive comment. I will take it. I will reply back to you. I am a certified mechanic, and just if you have any question, just leave your comment. Thank you. God bless you, and Merry Christmas to all of you, and Happy New Year. God bless you again. God bless you all. God bless America.